how to export all of your chats and all of your data from ChatGPT. Now, this will remove everything that you still have in there, unless you deleted or removed the chat for whatever reason. But all of your stuff from since you got the account will be in this export. So it's a good way to back up all of your chats, so you know you'll always have them, so you can go back, and then you can also split up the file and however you want, or do whatever you want with the file. So we're going to go up to the user icon up in the upper right, and then we're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to data control. And under data controls, it says data export. And so all you have to do here is click on this, and it will tell you it's going to email it to your email address. And depending on how much data you have, it may take a little while for it to do, and the link will expire in 24 hours. So you only have 24 hours from when it completes the gathering of your chats to a file and sends it to you to download it. So that's something to be aware of. So we're going to confirm export. Now I've already gotten the email for this. I already pre-did this. So I got an email and it had a link, and I downloaded the file, and then it was a zip file, and I decompressed it into a folder, or I unzipped it into a folder. And here's the folder. Your main chat is going to be right in this HTML file here, but it's also going to have these other files here with your conversations, model comparisons, and a few other things. These are in a JSON format, which is a database type format. It's a JavaScript database base. Most people probably won't use these unless they're programmers, but the chat is the thing that is really useful to most people. And if we want to take a look at that, this is what it looks like here. So this has some of the chats that I was doing. Well, it has all the chats. Here are a few that I was just doing before this example. And it puts them in a nice format here. But you can actually cut and paste the text out of things, or do whatever you want with. But it gives you, like I said, a backup or a transcript of everything, excluding any chats that you deleted. Delete a chat if you don't want that chat in the future. For example, if we go to this chat right here, where it says peanut soup recipe, and we click on these three little dots right here, we can go down here, and there's a delete here. So we could delete this particular chat. And once we delete it, if we downloaded all of our chats or exported them all, that would no longer be there. So that's something to be aware of as well. So that's how you save or export all your chats from ChatGPT.